Everyone, I am here for the spot prize giveaway to announce the winner, I should say. So it is for this little cute stamp set, and it's in like a little bag, and excuse me holding my camera, and I said I'd put something else in it, so I've put a little set of these little pockets in there. So oops, you've got, these are made with vintage book pages, Rupert the Bear, some music pages, some ballet books as well. Oops, can't pick them up because I can't see what I'm doing. And there's also the little Peter Rabbit ones as well, because it's hard doing it without being able to see. Well, there you go. So there are a little set of these little pockets and this stamp set. I have loaded up the URL, and we're going to pick a winner for this. So let's have a look who's won. And the winner is Seri. So Seri, I do have your address. I'll just double check that. If not, I will contact you to send me it, but I'm sure I have it anyway. So well done. Thank you to everyone who's taken part. I will have a new game next week. I didn't have a chance to do it this week, and I had to find an idea because I want to do something different. So keep watching. I will have one coming up in the next few days. The latest, it'll probably be Monday or Tuesday, but it's a good one, so keep watching. Thanks for playing, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.